The sneeze reflex is a powerful response triggered by irritation in the nasal passages. When a sneeze occurs, the body instinctively protects itself, including the eyes. This protection is vital because a sneeze can generate a forceful expulsion of air and tiny droplets, which could harm the eye surface. To prevent potential damage, the brain sends signals that automatically close the eyelids during a sneeze. This reflex is so strong that most people cannot consciously override it. Additionally, closing the eyes helps to maintain moisture and keep foreign particles out. This remarkable mechanism showcases the body's ability to protect itself from harm effectively.